So my name is Vishaka. I am from Karnataka. I've completed my bachelor's in computer applications in 2025. After a couple of months, I've joined Qspiders in December 2025, and later on, I got opted a course of software testing. So my trainer was Vishnu sir, Hemant sir, and Akhil sir. They are very much helpful. Not only them, every trainer here is very helpful, very supportive. If you prove them, they will really support you well and guide you till you get placed. And my SQL trainer was Karishma ma'am. She is also very sweet, very good. Everyone here is very, very supportive. They will support you weekly. The main thing which got invented was the mock interviews. The weekly mock interviews really helped me a lot. Initially when I joined, I didn't have that much of confidence to give interviews, to how to speak, how to express yourself. These all things are really helped me from these Qspiders and all the management. I thank you, this whole management, who have literally contributed each and every time to place me. Yeah, thank you.